Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are on month 9, the last month, for the Dragon Fruit Block of the Month quilt by Fat Quarter Shop. I used a lot of Tula Pink's fabrics, and today I have received the border fabric and the binding fabric, and the rest of the quilt is already put together as we did in month 8. So I'm just going to put these on and I will show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, I've got it quilted and bound. I just put in a meander and even quilted in my name and the year, and yeah, that needs work. The back is like this, and it is very soft. You can even see the difference in the weave, not on camera, but in person. You can't really see the weave on this, but you can on the other fabrics. So this is a much softer fabric. So let's see if I can adjust this. And I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.